Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Y'all was thinking that first of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. I'm sorry, y'all, I forgot to do my introduction that I always do. Sometimes I forget because when there's things on my mind, I get to rambling and then I forget. So I had to stop myself from rambling. I was getting ready to and do my introduction. So since that is finished, I was thinking that the Dollar General that I went to today would have some good clearance. Y'all, they didn't have nothing. Their clearance was like trash, okay? I don't know. I guess people must have got it Friday. They must have got all their stuff mainly Friday because today it was trash, okay? Or not unless they had it somewhere and I didn't know, but I'm not new to this store, but I don't go to the store often, but I do go there so I know that I can get the deals that I need to get, okay? So, y'all see in front what deal that I'm bringing to you all. I did 2 transactions, 2 different numbers with 2 game deals because, y'all, I had that $8 fireworks coupon that I did not want to expire on me because I think it expires Monday, I think. I'm not for sure. Y'all can check y'all expiration dates on the coupon in the app. But I forgot, but I knew it was expiring soon. Okay. So I said, let me go ahead and do the gang deal, get it out of the way because I did want these Big Mama Jammas. Yes, and I'm talking about that one in my stockpile for me. I said I had to get it. So let's go ahead and get to this video and show you what I got on both of these transactions. It's mainly the same, but I'm going to show you the little extra that I did purchase, okay? So what I did was the first thing I got was these Febreze Gain plug, and make sure that all your items says Gain. Scan it in the app. Make sure that the coupon attached, and then also it's a 5 off of 30 digital coupon that is attaching also for the Gain. Now you're not going to see the 5 off of 25, in your app, but you will see the 5 off of 30 Gain attached to the product, and it should attach. You should see it on there also saying it's Gain, but it has to say Gain on it. Okay, so this right here is $10. There is a $5 digital coupon that did attach. All right. The next thing is this item. It is the Febreze. I can't win for losing. Febreze plug. And this one is $5.50, and there is a $2.50 off digital coupon that did attach. The next thing is this, like I said, the Big Mama Jamma, this Gang Firework Blissful Breeze, and it is 26.5 ounce. It is $15.95. And there is a $8 if you still get it. Now, these are old digital coupons that I am using, okay? So, it was an $8 off digital coupon that did attach, and take this off. Then the next thing for the Gain, this is the Gain Plus Odor Defense. And this is $7.50. Let me make sure. Yes, $7.50. And there is a $3.50 off digital coupon that did attach to this. So y'all, I got all this for the Gain. All my coupons came off. My 5 off of 30 came off. But then I just added this because I didn't know I still had this digital coupon. This is $1. This Oral-B Bright and Clean. I had $1 off digital coupon that made that free. So after all the digitals came off, my 5 off of 25 came off, my 5 off of 30 came off. My subtotal was, y'all, was $9.95. Yes, $9.95. Now, I know y'all gonna be like, you said 5 off of 30, then 5 off of 25. It should have been lower than that. Yes, it should have been. But I just picked up another gain for extra because I was like, the coupon is there. Y'all know how I do. I usually just pick up and I go overboard. I could have got this less than the $9.95, but I was like, I'm just going to go ahead and pick it all up since I got that 5 off of 30 gain. So let me show you my receipt. There's the Gain Blissful, the Big Mama Jamma. Then there's the other Gain, the Febreze plug. There's the multi one. There's that one. There is the digital refill. That's the coupon. And then there's the Oral-B, and then the Blast one, which was $7.50. And then you see the subtotal, $9.95. You know, everybody's taxes is different. My total savings, look at that, $30. Yes, $30. And then a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So yes, I could have got this a little cheaper, but I added one of the plugs to make it over a little bit. I probably could have got it probably like $5 cheaper, but you know how I do. So the next one transaction that I did, it was almost everything was the same. I got the multi Febreze plug, and it was Gain. The Febreze plug, which is just the dual. I got the Gain Odor and Defense, the one that's $7.50. And then I got the Big Mama Jamma, which is the fireworks. And then what I got was different was the Suavitel. You know, the Suavitel is $1.95. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that did attach. And see, that's 36 sheets. So I needed that in my stockpile because was all out. So here is my receipt. There it is. There, everything that came off. Everything that came off. And then my subtotal was $11.40 because I picked up the Suavitel sheets. And then there is the subtotal. You know, everybody's tax is different. My total savings was $29.50. And then there's a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. 5 off of 25 Saturday. Also Gain deal. And then I picked up a little bit of extra. With this right here is my haul. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Channel.